Good evening, Mr. Chairman and the committee. My name is Taylor Ogan. I'm a senior at Trinity College in Hartford, and I'm just speaking on behalf of House Bill 5310. As we've determined, the current dealer franchise law exists to protect the little guy from being strong-armed by the big three. It's an ancient law, and I think that we should do away with it, especially after Solar City and Tesla combined last year. Tesla should not be compared to any other automotive companies. Tesla is different, and Tesla is special. This is a very different conversation right now than it was 3 years ago because of this merger. Now Tesla is not just selling EVs, they're now selling solar and stationary power. The Model 3 also has come about, and there's a lot of would-be buyers who are not being educated on that because it's now in a different price range. Another thing that I just wanted to say is if you wanted to buy a solar array for your house or stationary power, and an electric vehicle, you're not going to Hoffman Ford. I mean, you're going to Tesla, and unfortunately you can't do that right now. In terms of those people who work there, you need someone who knows solar, who knows energy storage, and who knows these vehicles, which are very different. These are green jobs, they're not dealership jobs. I'm graduating from Trinity College in 3 months, hopefully. And I study this stuff. I study autonomous vehicles and electric vehicles and their implementation. And I can assure you that I'm not looking at jobs at dealerships. I'm looking at jobs at companies like Tesla that really are promoting this future of sustainable energy. And it's just not fair to compare apples to oranges. I don't think there should be a compromise. I think that we should allow Tesla to sell. They have a very different model, and that's because they're a very different company. And I would love to work for Tesla, and in Connecticut, and a lot of my classmates would like to as well, but we can't. Right now, we cannot work here. And that's an issue that Connecticut faces a lot with Yale, with Trinity, with other colleges, that these students are learning all about. I'm an urban studies major. I learn about Hartford all the time. And as much as I'd love to work here after college, I can't because of laws like this. And so I urge you to consider passing this. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Taylor, for coming and testifying. Quite impressive. Any comments? Representative O'Day.
Where are you from? Hometown?
Originally Colorado, but now I live in Boston.
And what are you studying?
Urban studies, but autonomous vehicles and electric vehicles.
Outstanding. Well, thank you very much for your testimony. Thank you, Mr. Chairman.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
And good luck.
Thank you.
Hopefully we'll get you to stay.